Hello YouTube. So this is my birth weekend, my birth week. I'm turning 23 this Friday. I'm so excited. But yeah, my hair is straight now. Not straight, but you know, it's like kind of wavy, but not frizzy at all because I have a keratin in it. This was part of my birthday gift. But today I'm showing you guys my Halloween look. You kind of want to be safer than sorry for this look. If you're doing Halloween makeup, you need like more pigment. So you should make your base more. Blend it in. I want to like focus on making this palette very red, so I'm using the Dry Bouquet 3CE palette. Dip into the lightest color here and put like a light base on your eye. And set the concealer you just did. And go back to our smudge brush I messed up on. And dip in there and go about the lash line with this red. This color is like, this color is red. And it's like really nice though. Let's go under. Yeah, be careful. And get some nice result. So now with a light pink, we're gonna blend this out the slightest bit. I think I'm gonna use like this light one in the middle right here. Is that even too much? I don't know, let's see. I'm gonna blend it out like slightly. It's actually looking so pretty. But it's gonna turn into a Halloween look real quick. And then we are going to go back with a smudge brush, add more red. And that's good with the red. So now let's smoke this like red up. Taking out this Club Cleo Coral Talk, and I wanna use this. We're just gonna use the brush this like comes with. And like, do this. Just like start with a little at a time. With these dark colors, I'm gonna go to your lash line. Alright, so honestly, it's not much of a contrast, these two colors, but it did darken it a little bit. But yeah, unfortunately, I mean, it did add something, but it was just not what I expected. Needing more like black. After all, we are going to go to this palette and get some black. We'll just use the same brush, the Club Cleo brush. I'm gonna dip into this. This is like a purple blue charcoal, but I think it'll help like darken this. Oh yeah, it did. Smoky red. We're gonna add some shimmer to my eyes because we're done with the matte. So I think we're gonna do, let's go with the pinker one right here. And just, what I've been doing my past few videos is like, there's just like a light dust over the front of it. And you can do it under too. I use my finger. This really, you could use a brush, but my finger just is the most pigmented way. Alright, now actually let's just go straight to eyeliner. The Kill Brow Club Cleo in pink brown. This is like the reddish eyeliner. Reddish brown. Peri Peri ink volume setting color Cara. I forgot what this color was called. I can't really see anything. It just says 05 and I can't read green. Eyes are done right now. They're looking pretty. So now we're gonna go move on to the blush, which is a fun part. So blush is honestly, it's like a lot of layers that I remember doing. So we're gonna start off with this Nature Republic eyeshadow that I showed a lot of love to. This is discontinued. Halloween look, we're gonna move the blush to a different area. I'll go right here where I would put the highlighter. This is like the base color under the nose. And we're gonna go on the chin. And we're a blush brush in the brick color right here in the middle. You can kind of squeeze it to make it small and dip in. And we're gonna go right under here again. Actually, I kind of have a blush that's like this, but it did a beautiful job anyway. This looks like so cute right now. This layering palette. This dark brown red color right here with our blush brush. Squeeze it. Go right under your eye. Yeah, this is definitely more the vibes I want. Dark blush. Here, here. Here. You look good. Do like dick lips. So we still need some highlighters. So we're going in with Smolder Cosmetics and we're doing some gold right here, just like a little bit, just like I still want this to be like glam. Tip of the nose. So let's just add. All right, let's do lips before I do blood. We're gonna do Cork MAC. Alrighty. Active Lady. I'm gonna do it slightly different this time. So we're gonna put this on the edge. Blend this in with our finger. So I got this crazy color that looks like this, like hot purple pink. And this is like VT. Pretty sure like BTS sponsored this brand. I'll do this and then a little. It just adds like a shock. I fucked up. Fuck. That sucks. I have a tooth mark in my lipstick. And now we're doing the blood. Alright, so honestly I have this Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette. So we're gonna start off with dipping the brush it comes with in this red right here. Primary red. We're gonna first of all let's start here. We're gonna start from the bottom and up. I used to have clear lip gloss to put right over it. It made it so good. Wait, I could use this brown or I could use this brown. Either or. I'm gonna use this one. If we start drawing brown, it makes it look more realistic, like a more realistic blood color. You can just paint in some brown. And it turns into like a brown red. You see like less pink, more blood color. So the blood is done. I look pretty hot as a dead girl. Alright, so here is me without the eye contacts in. It's just like, you know, this is like what, PG makeup. So now we're heading up to PG-13. So just rinse this out in the bathroom. Okay, so it's on. Just blink a bunch of times. Oh, it feels like there's like something in this contact lens. So these are the contacts. Aren't these awesome? Yeah, these honestly are not the most comfortable contacts in the world. They're kind of uncomfortable. They were like $40. There's this Halloween store in New York City called Abracadabra. But yeah, this is the completed look. So this is what I call Succubus, which is like a demon girl. But my thing is I skip that part. I don't sleep with the guys, I just like kill them. Oh. I'll show you guys my outfit and the shoes I walked in. So yeah, I like walked into K-Town like this. I went into Pocha 32. Had some food, and I was happy. There were other people dressed up. I wasn't the only one in K-Town dressed up. But I'll show you guys my shoes I got. So I got these babies from Unif. These are the choke boots. And these things, these shoes, I had to wait a year to get these. Alright, now wait, let's save it this angle. I had to wait a year to get these shoes. They told me to size up and it was too big for me when it came in the mail, so I had to wait a year for a refund, but it was definitely worth the refund. These shoes are sick. They're perfect for Halloween. But honestly, yeah, very uncomfortable to walk in. And this is the outfit I wore. I just wore black jeans. This is my outfit I wore for Halloween. I'm getting kind of hungry, not gonna lie. But yes, this is my makeup, my eye contacts that I'm about to throw out. I hope you guys enjoyed my video.